Hi Furbtastic fans, so it's Furbtastic here, and today I'm here with Tess. Say hi, Tess. And Leah, hold on, come back here. Leah, we're recording. Can you say hi? Hi. Yeah, Leah said hi. And so today we'll be unboxing baby. Yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this little baby outside today since the weather's really nice out. So I decided to bring Tess and Leah together since they're both sisters, of course. And we're just gonna be unboxing this Baby Secrets Fruities. I've never really unboxed one of these before, but you get a tiny baby which you reveal its gender. And I guess it's gonna be all fruit themed. And it's series 5. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey Leah! Leah, baby! Baby! That's right, Tess. This is a baby. Look at that. Baby. Yeah, that's a baby. Open, baby. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Open, baby! Yeah, that's what we're doing. Open, baby! Okay. We're gonna be opening this together. It looks like Tess wants to open the baby too. Here, I'm gonna help you open this because it's gonna be a little bit difficult for you two. Open, baby, now. Okay, we're gonna open. This is gonna be pretty difficult to open. And you probably can't hear me because it's pretty windy out. But it's still nice weather either way. Here. Do you want to pull on this plastic? There. Oh yeah. Look, open baby. Baby. And what do you think that green part is? Bathtub. Yeah, that's a bathtub. And we're gonna be pouring some warm water in. And then we're gonna see if it's a little boy or it's a little girl. Uh-oh. Better put that plastic away. Alright, Tess, you can open too. Baby! Here we go. Baby. There we go. Got more packaging off. Mom, I don't want to open, baby. Yes, we're gonna be opening it, Leah. Baby. Let's see what we got. So here's the checklist. And oh, look. It looks like a little apple baby. Apple. Baby. Mine. Okay, girls, don't fight. Here, now let's let Leah look at it. Yeah, it's cute. It's really adorable. And ours is dressed like a little apple. It's got a bib and it has a worm on it. And it looks like the diaper's about to change color. We're not gonna spoil. And this is our collector's guide we're gonna look at. So shall we just pour some water in? So Leah said that she wanted to hold on to the bathtub while we pour the water in. Here we go. We've got the water in. Baby. Yeah, we're gonna put the baby in. Here they go. And it looks like it's turning pink. It looks like we've got a baby girl. Woo! Baby girl. Yeah, it's a baby girl. A baby girl. Yeah, so she's got a pink diaper on. And that way she can enjoy a little bath. Unless she can probably just stand in there. Kind of looks like a boy, but it's a baby girl. Here, let's take it out so Tess can play with it. I know, she's adorable. Alright, Leah, would you say that was fun? Yeah. And was that fun too, Tess? Okay, good. Alright guys, so this was it for this unboxing. So thanks for watching. Bye!